What is up, everyone? We are off to a little Sunday afternoon fun with a nice car show, so join me. Now we are walking back from the car show, which is like only like 2 blocks from the house. Teddy's sick though, he's been throwing up all night and part of the day, so we're going home to check on him now. But the most exciting thing at the car show is
how do you not know that's there after all
the incense I got. I was able to find Nag Champa incense. It smells amazing, so I'm excited to go in the house and light them up and chill. Then we're gonna get Domino's for dinner, and we're gonna just relax and maybe watch a movie and then just chill out. So that was the day, that was the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Peace.